Today I want to teach you how to convert your 8-inch drill into 10-inch device. It is very easy to upgrade your drill press by doing few easy and simple steps. First, you need to cut the stand using this tool. Then you can polish the metal stand with any kind of polish equipment. And voila, you can extend the size of your drill press by a few inches. Working with metal, do not forget to use some kind of protection, like safety glasses, so when you polish the metal, use gloves also. You need to make sure that all surface is good. This was some tricks from Brooklyn Handyman Vlad. Subscribe on my channel. I will show you a lot of interesting stuff, helpful in your future life. Now I will explain why we need to cut the stand. If you have a small 8-inch drill press like mine from Weaver, you cannot put like 10-inch parts here or 13-inch parts. That's why you can cut the stand and extend to any dimensions. Now you can easily cut and make the holes in the wood. Now I want to explain why you need this upgrade. If you have a small size drill press like mine, 8-inch, you cannot cut 10-inch parts. Like this, you see, the drill is small, but with this extension you can easily make the job. And yes, you can always buy 10-inch drill press or 13-inch, but it's cost like few times more. And in my case, I have very limited space here, so that's why this upgrade works for me. Hope guys it was very helpful for you. Thank you. This was Brooklyn Handyman Vlad. Subscribe and thank you again guys. Another very useful device that you can add to your drill press is to install mini precision milling machine, work table, multifunction drill vise. It's very interesting add to your drill press. Thank you guys for watching. It was your Brooklyn Handyman Vlad.